Okay, this is a super quick tutorial for my friend Alice, who has asked how to make some googly eyes. And we can see here we have some googly eyes, and they do in fact Google. This is a tutorial for 2D animation. This would not necessarily translate that well right now to 3D animation, although you could group it together to do that, but maybe not in the scope of the basic motion. So we have here an empty, and we have two ellipses that are parented to the empty, so you just parent those with Control P. And then we have two constraints on those. We have one constraint on those, rather. We have a simple limit location constraint on those, and we just limit it in the x-axis so that no matter where we move this, there's no depth component to our animation. And then we have these eyepieces, and each of them is parented to one of these. Well, it's not actually, no, it's not parented to one of those. We're using a copy location constraint instead of parenting. And we've got our influence set to something. And then we've also got a limit distance constraint, and we're using this ellipse as the constraint container for it, and then we're just setting a distance value. That's just saying that we want to limit this to within the bounds of this. And then the fact that we have our influence pulled down here makes it so that the eye doesn't immediately snap to the new location, that there's a drag to it. So then when we move around, we have that, and if we move our influence, it changes the intensity of the googling of the googly eye. Thanks for watching. That has been how to make googly eyes.